In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create images with Google Whisk. Google Whisk is a creative image tool in Google Labs that builds a picture from three simple ingredients: your subject, the scene around it, and the overall style. Think of it like a recipe. Describe each part clearly, and Whisk blends them into a cohesive image. Let's walk through the exact flow so you can go from a blank page to a polished result. First, open your browser and go to labs.google/fx. On the Labs page, look for the Whisk card and click Launch Whisk. When the Whisk landing page opens, choose Enter Tool to get inside the workspace. You'll see three areas: Subject, Scene, and Style. Subject controls the main thing in your image, Scene sets the environment, and Style defines the visual treatment. Start with the subject. Click into the field that says Enter Text, then type your prompt. Be specific about what the subject is and any defining traits or actions, clear nouns, a few precise adjectives, and any details that matter. When you're happy with the description, click Generate. Whisk will create variations based on your subject idea. If the results feel off, refine your wording. Short, concrete phrases usually work better than long, complex sentences. Next, move to the scene. Click Scene to switch panels, then click into the text field and describe the setting or background for your subject. Mention the location, lighting, mood, or time of day if those are important. Once your scene prompt is ready, click Generate. This helps Whisk understand the context your subject should live in. If the vibe isn't quite right, adjust a few scene details and generate again until it matches your intent. Now, set the style. In the style area, type a concise description of the look you want: photorealistic, watercolor, 3D render, cinematic lighting, or anything that signals mood and technique. You don't need to repeat the subject or scene here. Just focus on the aesthetic. When all three fields feel dialed in, click the forward arrow to combine everything and generate your image. Whisk will merge your subject, scene, and style into a unified output. Give it a moment to render, then review the result. If something needs improvement, tweak the relevant field, subject for the main figure, scene for the environment, or style for the finish, and run it again. That's the complete process. With crisp prompts and small targeted edits, you'll get strong images quickly using Google Whisk.